Hi, my name is Mark DiMatteo from MarineMax in Norwalk, Connecticut, and today I'm standing on a 2026 Boston Whaler 350 Realm. As you can see, beautiful platinum hull sides, black 400 V10 Mercury outboards. Come aboard, I'll take you for a quick walkthrough. Okay, starting here in the cockpit, we have a standard side entry door, which is great, especially if you're side to port, and a nice open space for dropping two teak tables in, which are stored down below here. This seat folds out. You have an opposing seat right here with an easy access cooler. Sometimes you can option it with a chiller so it stays cold all week. A nice little footrest for when you're sitting up on here. And let's say you're fishing or just hanging out with more people at the back of the boat. This folds easily out of the way and you have a nice combing pad to lean against if you were fishing, or just to lean against or sit down and enjoy your company. Up above we have an electric sunshade. And as you can also see, we continue the platinum hull as an accent color underneath the hardtop. Nice little touch. Okay, stepping deeper into the cockpit, here at the summer kitchen, we have a grill below here, an electric grill. Here's your sink. And for al fresco dining, this seat actually pushes back. Again, we have a nice footrest here for people to hop up onto that tall seat. We can drop a table in, and the helm seat actually spins 180 degrees. And now you can face your companions while having lunch on the water. Here at the helm, you'll see you have easy access to an additional refrigerator here. Up on the dashboard, we have twin MFD screens which house your GPS, your radar, all your switching, and your fish finder capability. Easy access to some hot buttons along here and up across the top, and the rest of the instrumentation is actually in the screens. Overhead, you have your VHF. The microphone's just hidden inside right now. You have your Seakeeper. By the way, this boat is actually outfitted with a Seakeeper gyro system. And let's head up to the bow. Welcome to the bow of the 350 Realm. This is a generous amount of space for a 35-foot boat. Right in front of me, we have a teak top table that's actually an electric high-low table. And this is the filler cushion, so when you drop it down, it becomes one large sun pad. There are 10 cup holders. There are USB ports for charging, easy access to a remote for the stereo. You have 4 speakers. Did I mention it has 10 cup holders? And look at the armrest at the forward-facing seating to make your day just that much more comfortable. Here in this air conditioning cabin, you'll see it's light and airy. You are down below, but this giant skylight brings in tons of natural light. You have plenty of direct lighting and indirect ambiance light. This couch turns into ample sleeping for 2. Up above, we have an optional television set. Behind me, we have cabinets for storage, and there's a main switching panel that's right here, easily accessible at the helm door. Here in the cabin, you'll find access to a wet head with an electric vacuum flush toilet, a sink, plenty of storage shelves, and the head height is probably just over 6 feet. So thank you for spending a few minutes taking a walk through this 350 Realm. This is a 2026 model that just rolled off the factory floor, landed in Norwalk about a week ago. It's here in the water at the moment. It will be on land, accessible and available for showings anytime. Give me a call. Again, my name is Mark DiMatteo from MarineMax in Norwalk, Connecticut. I look forward to hearing from you.